First, prepare LED module, water-cooled plates, graphite sheets or thermal grease, fixing screws, rubbing alcohol, lens paper, and other materials. Turn on the chiller and ensure that the water cooling temperature is within the temperature of application node. Second, wear rest strap. Third, wipe the surface of the water cooling plate with alcohol and install graphite sheets or thermal grease. Fourth, clean the bottom plate. Use the wire with a spring washer and flat washer to install the LED. Fifth, pre-tighten the screws one time, then fix the screws following the instructions. Sixth, remove the short circuit protection of the positive and negative poles of the LED. Seventh, open the protective cap and fix the optical fiber. Eighth, install the wires according to the positive and negative poles marked on the LED. Ninth, power on.